Everybody loves the pitter-patter of little feet, but here's why you shouldn't love the pitter-patter of rain on your roof. Hi, I'm TJ with Eco Elements, and today we're gonna talk about these little guys right here, vent pipes. Around your roof, you're gonna find vent pipes for your furnace, for your plumbing, potentially for your dryer exhaust, all exhausting out of your roof. Now over time, what happens to this little guy right here, this is called a roof jack. It's a rubber bonnet that sits around that exhaust pipe. Its job is to make sure that water does not come in and cause damage to your ceiling, mold growth, and other issues inside of your attic. After about 8 or 9 years, this little roof jack starts to deteriorate. Its job is to hang out in UV rays and sun all day long. Naturally, over time, that breaks down that rubber, makes it harder, solidifies that rubber, and then you start to get cracking and warping around that pipe. Once that happens, every time it rains, every time it snows, this little guy now becomes a highway for moisture into your living space. Unfortunately, inside of attics, we find mold growth, we find mildew, we find all sorts of things growing in there because these little guys start to bring water in over time. Best way to address that is by resealing those pipes roughly every 8 to 10 years. Also, if it's deteriorated to the point that it needs to be replaced, go ahead and replace that. It's cheaper to replace that than it is to do $5,000 to $10,000 worth of damage to your attic and your ceiling. For more helpful tips and tricks to make your home more energy efficient, more comfortable, and safer, follow us on Facebook, YouTube, as well as Instagram.